Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to select a large dataset fast without dragging your mouse all the way down. This is a simple trick that works even if you're working with thousands of rows. Step 1. Start at the top. Here I've got a toy inventory spreadsheet. I want to select all the data in the table but not the headings. So I'll click on the first data cell, which in my case is cell B4. Step 2. Jump to the bottom of the data. Now one way to select the whole dataset is to click and drag all the way down. That's fine for small tables, but not very efficient for large ones. Instead, here's the quicker way. Click once in the top left cell of the data. For me, that's B4. Scroll down to the bottom right corner of the dataset. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click that bottom right cell. And just like that, Excel highlights the entire block of data for you. Step 3. Copy and paste. Optional. Now that the dataset is selected, you can press Ctrl+C to copy, and then Ctrl+V to paste it wherever you want. That's it. No more dragging for minutes just to highlight a large range. So, to recap, click the first cell of your dataset. Scroll to the last cell. Hold Shift and click. Done. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.